Chapter 7 Kaikeyi. King Dasharath, pleased with the decision of his court to appoint Ram as the successor to the throne, instructed them to proceed with preparations for the royal coronation. The king then returned to his chambers. He was surprised when he saw his queen Kaikeyi in a disarray. Tears streamed down the queen's face. Kaikeyi was the mother of Prince Bharat. Her son was away visiting his maternal uncle in the city of Kaikeyi. King Dasharath was very concerned. Of his 3 queens, Kaikeyi held an especially dear place in his heart. "What is wrong, my dear? What has upset you so?" Kaikeyi seemed inconsolable, and the king desperately asked what he could do to alleviate her sorrow. In the time leading up to this incident, Queen Kaikeyi was visited by her family servant Manthara. The handmaiden had looked after Kaikeyi since her birth, continuing to do so even after Kaikeyi's marriage, when she moved into the royal palace. The news of Rama about to be named as royal heir greatly upset Manthara. In her mind, Prince Bharat, the son of Kaikeyi, and the child she looked upon as her own grandson, should be the next king. Manthara filled the naive queen's mind with fear and doubts. "Once Rama is king, you will have no place in the palace. Queen Kausalya will be the royal mother, and you and your son will be sent away." At first, Kaikeyi resisted. She loved Rama, as most of those in the kingdom did. But as Manthara argued and persuaded, she finally accepted the handmaiden's point of view. Kaikeyi had 2 boons, wishes, granted to her by the king when she had once rescued him in a battle and nursed him back to health. Now was the time for her to use them. In reply to the king's question as to how he could console her, she responded, "I wish to use the 2 boons you have granted me. My first wish is for our son Bharat to be appointed king, and my second wish is that Prince Rama be sent into 14 years of exile." King Dasharath's face went pale with shock and horror. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.